Dusty Cam 2.0. Yeah, and that's the heatsink, the main heatsink. It's just caked with dirt and dust. And then the freaking power supply unit. That looks like nice and yummy with some dust in there. We'll take care of all that, don't worry. Much, much better. And of course we got displacement on the APU and the heatsink. We'll take care of that too. And now and only now can we actually do the repair. Oh, I can't believe I got well, yeah, I messed that up. So here I'm thinking I'm recording and then I go to hit pause where I thought and it wasn't recording. But anyhow, we got the pulse holes cleared. Let's go ahead and clear out this old SATA, get a new port on, and get these folks back to gaming. Alright, so that's the final outcome in the post. And that's the final outcome on the pins. It's bolted up. Okay, it's doing some kind of reset. Hey, there we go, we're back in business. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Membership's now available, store nearing completion. Thanks for tuning in.